Have you ever wanted to launch a product on Clickbank but simply don't know where to start? Or perhaps you've been wondering about Clickbank's features and wondering if Clickbank is actually for you? Or perhaps the recent spate of PayPal closures have got you worried about your business and you just want to diversify and not put all of your eggs in one basket. If you fall into any of these categories, you should stay on this page and listen to what I have to say. My name is John Thornhill and I've been processing payments using Clickbank since around 2005. There's actually a couple of certificates from Clickbank themselves there, and you'll see a lot of my Clickbank activity and my history with Clickbank on this page. Now, I'm going to be honest here. A couple of years ago, about 3 years ago, I did what a lot of marketers did, and I started to move away from Clickbank and move into other marketplaces. However, the recent spate of PayPal closures has been a wake-up call for us all. And I strongly believe we should all be diversifying our business and not putting all of our eggs in one basket. This means using different marketplaces and not just relying on a single marketplace. Plus, it does no harm to put your product on multiple marketplaces. And that's another reason you might be considering Clickbank. Did you know Clickbank has literally millions of affiliates waiting to promote your product through the Clickbank marketplace? Did you know Clickbank pay you weekly like clockwork? You get paid like clockwork every single Wednesday. Now, because of this, affiliates are confident in promoting Clickbank products. There are experts out there who are waiting to drive traffic to your offers. Did you know with Clickbank you can do things like add coupon codes, you can pay 100% commissions, you can do one-click upsells, and many other things? I can show you how to do it all. With Clickbank Superstar, I'm going to walk you through the process of setting up a product on Clickbank step by step. I literally take you from setting up your account to adding your product, to setting up your sales funnel, adding one-click upsells, integrating your membership site, literally everything you need to know. Clickbank Superstar has it all. So if you've been thinking about using Clickbank, my advice is check out the rest of this page, see what I can do for you, and hopefully I'll see you in the members area.